the first foreign-funded enterprise after China's reform and opening up. Number 0001 on Shenzhen Foreign Investment Certificate. Jiatai Company, a pathfinder, a pioneer, starred as beginner and president for Chinese modern feed industry, create paragon for modern agriculture and animal husbandry in China. The journey is magnificent, beginning with enduring. Jiatai Company continuously releases the energy of innovation, conform and develop with era, drawing blueprint for agriculture and animal husbandry. Birth of 0001. That is the choice of an era. In 1979, Shekou, Shenzhen, started with the first shot of China's reform and opening up, seizing the opportunity of era. Sharon Pokfang Group and Continental Grain Company joined hands to invest in China. Jiatai Company came into being. In 1981, Jiatai Company obtained the approval certificate of Shenzhen Foreign Investment Certificate. 1981, number 0001. Became the first foreign-funded enterprise after China's reform and opening up. Riding on the momentum of the reform and opening up, Jiatai Company has firstly started a new way for the development of China's feed industry, played an important role in industrial development, grow together with the era of reform and opening up. Jiatai Company, with the excellent quality, excellent service, won great market reputation, established an excellent brand image in Chinese animal husbandry and feed industry. Breeding and feeding. Time changes. It changes many things with unmatched power. Great changes had taken place in Chinese livestock industry. It laid a solid foundation for the rapid and stable development of Jiatai Company. Jiatai Company successively established in Shenzhen, Shantou, Guangzhou, Zhuhai, Dongguan, Yangjiang, Qinyuan, Meizhou, Kaifeng, Chongqing, and others. More than 10 feed production bases, 1 animal health company, and many animal breeding bases. The business scope covers all provinces and cities in China. Feed business. Jiatai Company focuses on accurate feed nutrition, taking a lead in practicing nutritional immunity, improving animal health and production efficiency from the source, established product quality as its core competitiveness by building supporting system for procurement, production, formulation, quality control, marketing, and service, provide a full range of solutions to help customers improve their ability for risks resistance, achieve the improvement for both efficiency and income. Breeding business. In response to the national call of ensuring the steady production of pigs, in 2020, Jiatai Company decided to invest in the construction of swine integration business in Meizhou that combines planting, raising, feeding, distribution, and marketing to create an excellent brand of breeding pigs and become a regional core supplier for pigs by organically integrating of grain planting, feed processing, core breeding, breeding pig production, marketing pig production, and slaughter processing, exploring with ecological priority and eco-friendly development, circular agricultural development model in order to build a deep integration of primary, secondary, and tertiary industries in China, promote rural revitalization, takes full advantage of demonstration, breeding and feeding while develop with both business to achieve a new development of great breeding and feeding, high quality and efficiency. Animal health service. With the mission of improving animal and human health, Jiatai Company adheres to the business philosophy of quality achieves health. Chinese livestock breeders and veterinarians provides high-quality animal health products and professional animal health solution. High quality and efficiency. Chinese livestock industry has quickly entered a new era of standardization, formalization, and intensification. Jiatai Company seeks benefits from fine management, applies innovative technology to enhance its driving force with better products and greater products. pursues higher comprehensive customer benefits, and continues to achieve high-quality development. Efficiency as the key. Time is money and efficiency is life, a popular slogan in Shenzhen and a model of Jiatai County to realize steady development. Jiatai County has taken the lead in introducing the advanced management experience of the world and allocated resources efficiently to maximize organizational efficiency and unleash huge vitality and potential. Bulk ton bag transportation, garden factories, 3-dimension storage, mechanized production, automated control, and informationized management. The construction of the 6 modernizations has been intensified, which break the fixed impression of traditional feed factories and feedlots. Efficiency is the key to keep improving. Jiatai County is full of youthful vitality, with which taking more and more powerful steps for development. Quality first. Benefiting customers would be the only solution for long life of enterprise. Jiatai County focuses on the idea of creating customer value, pushing forward the transformation with changes and adjustments, and securing more market with quality products. Jiatai County applies stronger technologies, better products, and greater services to create better customer value and achieve sustainable and high-quality growth. Innovation as the root. Innovation is the soul and root of Jiatai County. Jiatai County is committed to make management, technology, and marketing strategic innovation, management innovation, technological innovation, marketing innovation. In the face of new normal, only all-rounded innovation can break the bottleneck of development. By consistently harnessing its strength to seize market opportunities, Jiatai County actively promotes industry university research projects, cooperates with universities and scientific research institutions, participates in basic research and achievement transformation. Jiatai County has obtained more than 100 invention patents in the past 3 years, relying on global advanced breeding